Hey everyone! If your categories are getting messy, or you realize the subcategory should actually be its own main account, don't worry, you don't have to start over. Today, I'm showing you how to edit your categories in QuickBooks Online to keep your books crystal clear. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the chart of accounts. First, head over to the left-hand navigation menu, hover over Transactions and select Chart of Accounts. This is the master list of every category in your system. Step 2. Find your category. Scroll through the list or use the filter by name search bar at the top to find the category you want to change. Once you've located it, look at the far right side of that row. Step 3. Enter edit mode. In the action column, click the small arrow next to View Register or Report and select Edit. A side panel will slide out with all the category details. Step 4. Update details. From here, you can change the category name, the account type, or even make it a sub-account of something else. If you're renaming it, just type the new name in the top box. Step 5. Save and sync. Once you're happy with the changes, click the green Save button at the bottom. QuickBooks will automatically update every transaction already tagged with this category, so you don't have to go back and fix them one by one. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.